Welcome back, everyone. It is now math time. And of course, we always start our math time with a song. Since we are still learning our numbers or reviewing our numbers, let's sing the song about 1 to 20. The numbers 1 to 20. Get ready. I'm about to share my screen with you. And here it is. Get ready.
Hi, kids. Let's all count from 1 to 20. We'll count from 1 to 20 3 times, and each time we'll count faster.
Count, count, count with me. Count with me from
Don't
1
forget to look
to
at the
20.
numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great job, kids. Let's count again faster.
Count, count, count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Now count even faster.
Outstanding. Let's count again even faster.
Count, count, count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's count from 10 to 20.
And that was our number song, the 1 through 20 or 1 to 20 number song. So boys and girls, this week we reviewed your numbers 1 through 10, and I told some of you that you can do 1 to 20 if you can write those numbers with mommy and daddy, right? So boys and girls, everybody needs to get ready for kindergarten, right? And when you get to kindergarten, your teachers will ask you, do you know your numbers? What do you say? You say yes because we worked hard in pre-K to learn your numbers. Boys and girls, you also have to know the number that comes before or after a given number. So to help us with that, I am going to show you what I did. So I'm going to share with you a number line. Where is our number line? Right here. Not that one. Oopsie. It's the other one. That was for reading. Hold on, boys and girls. There you go. There is your number line. So boys and girls, I made this number line for you. You have the numbers 1 through 20. So as you look at the number line, I want you to look at the numbers. And I will just get something from my computer. So look at the numbers. And Mrs. Mendoza needs your help today. We need to complete the 10 frame and the 20 frame. So I want you to look at the number line and let's count first from 1 to 20. Ready? As I point to the number, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Those are your numbers 1 through 20. I didn't do 0 anymore. These are just numbers 1 to 20. Now you have your 10 frame at the bottom. Let's hide that. Oh, no need to hide. Okay, let's look at your 10 frame, boys and girls. So look at your 10 frame. You have the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So that means some numbers are missing. This is a 10 frame, so we have to complete the 10 frame. Let's try to complete the 10 frame by looking at the number line. You can look at the number line for help, okay? If this is 1, please tell your family member or whoever is with you the number that comes after 1. This is 1 and this is 1. Let's see. What number comes after 1? Did you just call out? I think so. What number comes after 1? It's the number 2. So I'm going to write the number 2. Good job. Now you have 1, 2, and 3. What comes after 3? What comes after 3? Go back to 3 on your number line, and the number that comes after 3 is what? Remember, if it's after, you count on. You do not count back, right? So count on. What comes after 3? It is the number 4. You are right. I heard your answer. Easy. Let's finish your 10 frame. This time, the number before 7 is missing. Look at your number line, boys and girls. Here is your number 7. What comes before 7? What comes before 7? Remember, when you're asked what number comes before, that means you need to count back. So if this is 7, you have to count back. What comes before 7? It's the number 6. So let's try your number 6. Oops, wrong. It should be here. The number 6. So now let's go to this one. This number is missing. And I want you to look at number 9. What comes before 9 that comes after 7? Ooh, that's quite confusing. But let's focus on this number. This is 9. I need you to tell Mrs. Mendoza the number that comes after or before 9. What comes before 9? This is 9. You should be what? Counting back. What comes before 9? It's the number 8. Good job. The number 8 comes before 9. We have one more missing number. This time it's not before, but it's the number that comes after 9. That should be easy. What comes after 9? Yes, it's the number 10. So let's put 10 there. Moving on. Now we're looking at the next frame. So this is your 10 frame, and another 10 frame would be 20, right? So now if you have both frames, then it's called a 20 frame. The first one is just a 10 frame. This is your 20 frame now because you have two, right? 10 and 10 makes 20. So what number comes before 12? This is your number 12. What comes before 12? Look at your number line. If this is 12, Mrs. Mendoza said, what number comes before 12? That means I have to count back. Count back. What number comes before 12? 11. Good job. 11, 12. What comes after 12? 11, 12. What comes after 12? It's 13. Good job. Now the number that comes after 13 is 14. That's right. And what comes after 14? Look at your number line. Count on what comes after 14. This is 14. What comes after 14? It is 15. Smart boys and girls. Kiss your brain. I know you said the number 15. Let's fill out this 20 frame. We still have missing numbers. You have the number 16. What comes after 16? Good. It's the number 17. See, getting fast because you're looking at your number line. Number line helps you a lot. This is 18. This is, what number is that? 19. What number comes after 19? What comes after 19? It's the number 20. Very good. Or 20 for some. It's the number 20. Now, our 20 frame is complete. We had all the missing numbers inside the boxes. We filled out our 20 frame with the missing numbers. So you can do this with your family, boys and girls. You can do it with your family. Practice writing those numbers and practice counting too. I know you can count from 1 to 20, right? So practice counting from 1 to 50 or even 1 to 100. Some of you are counting from 1 to 100 before the school closure. I had that on paper, so practice counting with your mommy and daddy. But don't forget, we have to get ready for kindergarten, so practice writing the numbers too. And you can also make sets with your family. Mommy will maybe write the number, and then she's going to ask you, give me maybe five candies, or give me 5, whatever toy you have at home. You can give 5 Legos. Or if daddy asks, okay, let's practice. Can you give me 10 Legos? So count those Lego pieces and give daddy 10 Lego pieces. Okay? So that ends our math time. And boys and girls, watch out for the next video, and which is your read aloud. That's your last video for today. Have fun learning. Bye.